Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am diving deep into the Docker, the powerful containerization platform. So by the end of this 120 minutes journey, you will be well on your way to becoming a Docker pro. Okay, so let's get started. So this is today's agenda. So these are the parts that I am going to talk to you about today. The first point is Docker fundamentals. The subtopics like what is Docker, Docker versus virtual machines, installing Docker, running your first container, Docker images and Docker files, building custom images. So the second part is Docker advanced, the subtopics like Docker compose, Docker best practices. So the third point is conclusion and next steps. So firstly I'm going to talk about now is Docker fundamentals. So what is Docker? So actually, Docker is a containerization platform that simplifies application packaging and deployment. So it's a game changer in modern software development. So that is Docker. So moving to the next part is Docker versus virtual machines. So Docker containers are lightweight, share the host OS and start quickly. So virtual machines are heavier, run separate OS instances and are slower to start. So that is Docker versus virtual machines. So now it's time to get your hands dirty. I'll start by installing Docker. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, when I tell these steps in this video, I think there is a higher probability that the video will be boring. Okay, so also the video will be long. So I think you install this step according to your OS. Okay, so don't forget to follow all these steps and follow the commands below to verify your installation process at the end. Okay, moving to the next part is Docker images and Docker files. So firstly I'm going to talk about now Docker images. So actually images are like blueprints and Docker files are the instructions for building them. Okay, so this is example of Docker file. Moving to the next part is Docker advanced. The subtopics like Docker compose. Actually meet the Docker compose. It's a powerful tool for managing multi-container applications. So actually Docker compose is very important part. Okay, so moving to the next subtopics like Docker best practices. So by following these Docker best practices, you will not only enhance the efficiency and security of your containers, but also streamline your Docker workflow. Okay, so the next part is conclusion and next steps. Congratulations, in just 120 minutes you had unlocked the power of Docker. So I covered its core concepts, compared it to virtual machines and explored best practices. So as you continue your journey with Docker, remember that practice and experimentation are your allies. So don't hesitate to explore advanced Docker topics and apply what you all learned to real-world projects. Okay? Remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out of my tech-related videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up and if you found it helpful. So thank you for joining me today on this Docker journey. If you have any questions or topics you would like to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Okay, so you can also contact me through the following social medias and see you in the next video.